Hi you guys, this is me Ali Al Jahani or AJ, and this is my first time showing my Chrome OS install on top of Branch. This is Branch, which is a framework for booting Chrome OS on any laptop or any hardware for that matter. And the hardware support is great. Intel, AMD Ryzen. Well, the AMD Ryzen have to use 5.10 kernel, which I'll show you in a minute how to do that, which is included in the Branch framework. And in addition to Branch framework, you have to choose the Chrome OS image that you wanna install, which is this one. I chose Zork. I heard it has a great compatibility with AMD hardware. So you choose this one, 90, and start to download. So I cancel. Anyway, you can find great videos on YouTube on how to install it. I'll show you one. Chrome OS on AMD. So he outlines the process here. So you have to make a bootable Linux Mint image through Rufus, and then extract the branch image to that. Also extract the Chrome OS image, the Zork Chrome OS image if you have an AMD hardware. Otherwise, go with Ramus. Extract that also to the same USB drive. And this shell script, which basically this is the most important command right here. Tell Chrome OS to install. You could change this line to your hardware, which you could do easily, like this. Shell fdisk L. Okay, you could do it in Linux though. Here I'll show you that I'm running Chrome OS on an AMD hardware. You see my hardware, Ryzen 5 4600H with Radeon graphic. Here we could do sudo fdisk L. Maybe we don't need sudo. su So it's not listing right now because of the Linux container I installed. Because Linux is in a container, so it won't be able to enumerate all the hard disk you have. But I have an NVMe SSD, so you could change what you have in the script here, with instead of what it says STA, you can put in NVMe 0N1, and then it would install. Also, you can change this Ramos to the name of the image you downloaded. You downloaded it through the Chrome serve updating. Anywho, finally got Arch Linux working inside this Chrome OS. So we do sudo backman syu just to show you some basic command. Oh, I have a couple of updates. I also got yai running, AQM. These are the foreign packages I have installed. What else I could show you? Uname -a. It's running 5.4. How come? Oh, it's in the container. I assure you it's Arch Linux. And I got a couple of software GUI installed, like Transmission, MPV, Avahi. I couldn't also Android apps works as well on the same machine. So you get to use this software also on the same machine, which broaden the app collection. That's about it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys in this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, just ask down in the comment. Thank you guys.